Supremo Jayalalitha will have to stay in prison for at least 6 more days as the vacation bench of the Karnataka High Court has adjourned her bail plea to the 7th of October. The news was greeted with massive protests in Tamil Nadu. Members of the film industry in the state have also undertaken a hunger strike, and lawyers supporting Jayalalitha are also currently on a dharna outside the Karnataka High Court.
Date of hearing has been postponed to 7 because it is Bakrid. The 7th they have postponed to 7. That regular bench. That's why I'll request the government of Karnataka and the government of Tamil Nadu to intervene with this matter, with the President of India or to the Prime Minister to release immediately Jayalalitha to safeguard the interests of Tamil people from Tamil Nadu.
That attempt was made, yesterday itself it was a very serious attempt was made to constitute a special sitting. The Honorable Chief Justice obliged our request, constitute a special sitting, but again, going it is something a shame it is. The Chief Justice has constituted a special sitting for dealing this matter at the earliest, but the Honorable Judge, after considering for a while, urged it. Then it shows that we don't want to say anything. It is matter to be dealt by the regular court, not by us. That's how the Honorable Judge felt. Matter is urgent.
It's very unfortunate that the Karnataka High Court has deferred the hearing to 7th of October. I wouldn't call what we are doing as a protest. We are here, all of us assembled to tell Amma that we are with you. And all that we would like to tell people is that people think that by doing all this, they could banish Amma from a political career altogether. But unfortunately not so. She will come back like a tsunami and hit all of them altogether, and she would take the reins of the Tamil Nadu government very soon.
Massive protest underway in Tamil Nadu. This is the 5th day that protests continue in Chennai and several other parts of Tamil Nadu. This protest is being staged by the AIADMK's IT wing, particularly from people belonging to Chennai. And in fact, this is a human chain protest that is being staged in Chennai from AIADMK headquarters till Jayalalitha's Poise Garden residence. All these party workers here, they were hoping that they would receive some sort of good news from the Karnataka High Court, but they have now disappointed as the bail plea has been deferred. And also people here, they want to send across just one message, that no matter what, they are with their leader, and in fact she will be released soon and she will be cleared from all the charges that are leveled against her. And also here you can see a lot of people from different walks of life, students and party workers from different areas have gathered here, raising slogans, praising Jayalalitha, and also raising slogans against the DMK, who is one of the main parties in this particular case. And joining me is IT Wing Secretary Mr. Swaminathan. Sir, why this protest and what message are you trying to send across?
We are just sending 2 messages. Message 1 to say, Amma, we are with you, come what may. Message number 2 is, Amma will come back like a tsunami and teach a lesson for each and everyone involved in this conspiracy. Hail Amma, hail Amma's power, and hail Amma's glory.
That's the message from the AIADMK party workers here in Chennai. In Chennai, with camera person Manish, Shabir Ahmed for Times Now.